Okay, Tiff. I'm gonna explain how these deductions and so work at the bottom here. So let me get an employee. I'm gonna get myself. Okay. What we should try to do. Okay, let me start at the beginning. There's a default set of earnings and deductions that's there for each type of period pay schedule. So for the monthly one, these are the standard, but this is configurable. So if something is here that shouldn't be here, or that's missing, let me know and we can get the precise set of deductions that needs to be here. Same thing with earnings. So you asked a question today about the earnings. I'm gonna address that. I'm gonna address it later. But the deductions and that kind of stuff, we should try to get a standard set and only change like if there's a special case. So in the special case, of course, you go to change deductions or whatever. Like that, it will be easier. If we have a standard set of deductions, it makes it a lot easier because we can see our employees and we don't have to change them individually. So if somebody gets something that diverts from the standard deductions or standard earnings, we can use this screen, the employee quick view, to see that. Okay, so that's the core message I'm trying to send with the deductions and earnings here, that we should have a standard set that most people, that would address most people, and that we would only need to change in case of like a bonus or something. The issue that you raised before about you see overtime pay and regular time pay and this kind of stuff, even though the configuration is set to hourly plus salary, which means the employee, if hours is uploaded to him, he will get whatever is in the salary and whatever is in the hourly rate. But if there are no hours to multiply the hourly rate by, then it's zero. So we can demonstrate that by going here and process this month, and you can see Yogestra Anderson and see all those earnings. Each one of those earnings items comes up here and it shows you the amount that they come up to. So his salary is the 1 million, but excuse me, for the hourly pay we see it's zero, the overtime is zero because no hours were ever uploaded to him, so it still remains zero. So it's no harm to leave the standard earnings as is. We can just leave it as is, and if we know this employee is not gonna work hourly, he's just gonna work salary, all we need to do is change him to, we can leave the earnings as is, but it's advisable to also change his payment type to just salary only, to flat salary. In that case, the system only thinks about this. It doesn't consider anything about hourly. But like I said again, even if you leave it as is, as long as hours is not uploaded to him through the hours are uploaded through the peer review screen, as long as hours are not uploaded to him, he will not get the hourly pay added to him, so it won't cause any problems.